Good day, viewers. You're welcome to the channel. This is Iglo Fashion. So today we are learning how to make this circle flay top with circle sleeve. So I use belts to gather the underbust to bring out the beauty. So if you gain anything from this tutorial and if you have any question, please put it in the comment section. Please like and share my video, and if you have not subscribed, please do. Thank you very much. For the circle play top, the measurement I need is just the shoulder and the length of the blouse, and the blouse length is 26 inches while the shoulder is 18 inches. So now I've folded the fabric. I'm using this Ankara fabric and I've folded it into two. So now I'll go ahead and fold it this way. You can see the way I picked it. So I'm using this open side. So it's already folded into four. So I'm using this open side. Now I'll measure the length of the blouse first. 26 inches. I'm starting my tape from here. This is 26 inches. So I'm adding half to it. I'm adding half to it. So the next thing to do now is to roll out this place. So I'll measure what I have. It is up to the shoulder I need. So I said the shoulder is 18 inches and I have 18 here. I have 18 here. So I'll tuck that out. Then I'll come back to this side and measure. I'm going around with this inches I have here. So I have 37 inches. So I'm going around with the 37 inches now. It's 7.5 stood. Now, after that, I'll cut everything out. Now, after that, I'll measure the neckline. The neckline I'm using for this is 3 inches. Then, because I'm cutting both front and back together, I'll use 1 inch. 1 inch. I'll cut that out. I'll go ahead and measure 3.5 inches here. So from that point, I'll measure 4 inches. I'll be 7 inches rather. I'll measure 7 inches. That's on my armhole. Then for the armhole, for the shoulder, I'll chalk 1 inch here, then connect it back to the neckline. So now I'm good to go. Neckline of the front body, I'll count that by 4.5 inches because it's not going to be very low. Now I'm through with this, so I'll go ahead and cut the sleeve. For the sleeve is 16 inches. Then I'm adding 1 inch to it. It's a circle sleeve, that's why I folded it. You can see I already folded it into two, then like the way I did for the top, for the main bodies. So I folded it into 4. So now what I'll now do is I'll come back to this side, then I'll measure 7.5 from here to where I chopped the 7.5. So I'm going around with that 7.5. So the total I have here should be the circumference of my armhole, and the armhole circumference is 23 inches. So the total I have here should be 23 inches. So this is 24. So the 1 inch